This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Angelina Ballatore. Low maintenance, light and airy home located in northwest Gainesville, South Pointe. This lovely 2018 built home has over 1,900 square feet, 3 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, 2-car garage, front porch and a screened-in back patio overlooking the green space. Vinyl plank flooring throughout the main living area. Wood cabinets, granite countertops throughout and stainless steel appliances. Interior features include high ceilings, open floor plan, indoor laundry room, large pantry, ceiling fans and lots of storage space. Energy efficient features include tankless water heater, 15 SEER Heating and Air, R38 insulation in the attic and R13 in the walls. HOA covers the repair and replacement of the roof, repair and painting as needed for the siding, front and back lawn care, plus exterior pest control. Conveniently located 1.5 miles to Town of Tioga, which features shopping, restaurants, Gainesville Health and Fitness Center and more. 3.8 miles to I-75, 8 miles to the University of Florida, 4.2 miles to HCA N. FL Hospital, and 8 miles to Butler Plaza Shopping Center. There is also a community pool.